Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. It's been trending for a reason. People keep buying it and leaving amazing reviews. The build quality feels great. It works exactly as described, and honestly, it's better than I expected. If you're curious, tap the link below and check it out before the deal's gone. Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. What surprised me the most is how premium it feels for such an affordable price. It's the kind of product that makes you think, why didn't I get this earlier? Hit the link in the description and see what all the hype is about. Wait a sec, before you scroll, check this out. If you're wondering whether it's worth it, yes, it absolutely is. So many users have given it 5 stars, and after testing it, I see why. Don't wait too long. Check the link in the description before it sells out. Okay, not gonna lie, this one's kinda crazy good. There's a reason everyone's buying this right now. Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. It's been trending for